Hi there. Here I added my pillow paint off camera, and then I spread it around the edges and added a little bit more in the middle off camera again. My recipe will be in the description below the video. So here I am adding my paints in a puddle. I started with violet, deep violet. So then I went to the greenish blue color. Now I'm adding the white pearl metallic paint from Rust-Oleum. So then I added the reflex green on top of the white. And now I'm using reflex rose for the last color. And now I'm using the cell activator. It's black oxide from Amsterdam. So instead of using my breath to blow the bloom, I am using a silicone straw that I bought from the Canadian Tire store in Canada. It works really good. After the paint comes back up to the surface, I'm going to start to tilt to one corner till it runs off the edge, and then I will be bringing it back to the middle again, and then to the other corner. And then once that's done, I will bring it, let it flow back into the middle again before I tilt it to the other corner. And then I'll do the same for the next corner, for the last corner. Here I'm just torching any air bubbles out of the paint. Hello, I'm back with the dried results. It dried very nice and flat, no bumps or anything, and it stayed exactly the same as when it was wet. Didn't change at all. I'll bring it up for a close-up. So the reason I got this effect, I guess, is because of the metallic white pearl paint that I used as one of my colors. Didn't use a lot, and I have no idea why there's red in there. I didn't use any kind of red. Strange. So, yeah, I really like it. And I think I'm going to try another one with the white pearl metallic. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.